Welcome to the Albany Marina Residences located here in Nassau, Bahamas. We're currently in the Albany Marina, surrounded by multi-million-dollar yachts, and we're currently facing the Gemini building where we just sold the unit, last asking $3.6 million. And once you see inside, you'll know exactly why it was worth every penny. Come and have a look. Let's talk luxury meets laid-back island living. This ground floor residence brought all the vibes. Open concept flow, sun-drenched interiors, and a gourmet kitchen that's next level. Welcome to the ultimate primary suite, where panoramic marina views steal the show. It's giving spa vibes with the luxe soaking tub and a closet so massive it can have its own address. And the terrace, let's just say, yacht watching never looked this good. Morning coffee and front row seats to the marina.
Albany is more than a destination. It's a lifestyle. So here's what really sealed the deal. From the Ernie Els design championship golf and world-class marina to a state-of-the-art fitness center, spa, and recording studio. Enjoy personalized concierge service, fine dining, private movie screenings, water sports, equestrian trails, and even a top-tier school with golf and tennis academics. Whether you're here to relax, play, or work, Albany has it all.
Gemini 1D is officially off the market, but Albany still has a lot more to offer. Let's make your move. Connect with me to explore properties at Albany.